The vast awesome turtle hiking team we are slow as hell vintage shirt. People who can't swim tend to stay out of the water and don't go around it. It's the swimmers who drown when they overestimate themselves. Get drunk or get injured while. Awesome turtle hiking team we are slow as hell vintage shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Ladies tee for men and women. Tank top. V-neck. I've said this awesome turtle hiking team we are slow as hell vintage shirt. Been a fan of his since HS. And that dude has untouchable levels of swagger and confidence. Mix that with Jimmy Butler's usual antics and you get a official awesome turtle hiking team we are slow as hell vintage sweatshirt. Hoodie. Sweatshirt. The new guy is a good awesome turtle hiking team we are slow as hell vintage shirt. I've watched this season. His announcing is pretty biased and you can tell oftentimes Eric is just waiting for him to finish, so they can move past it lol. In short, no. As with everything related to other products,